In the deep, dark ocean, far below the sun's reach, lived a rare and ancient creature, the coelacanth, named Neechee. Neechee was unique, a relic from the past, living a life that had been long forgotten, lonely and vast. One day, Neechee discovered a shiny object floating by. A glimmer of hope, a sign that caught her curious eye. With excitement in her heart, she approached it slowly, wondering what it was and what it could possibly show. It was a small, golden key with an inscription so fine. Unlock the deepest secrets, and you'll find a kindred sign. Neechee was puzzled, but her curiosity wouldn't let her rest. She held the key tightly, and with determination, embarked on her quest. She journeyed through the ocean, through currents swift and strong, in search of a hidden world, where her kind might belong. She met many creatures along the way, each with their own tale. But none knew of the secret world, where the coelacanth would prevail. At the end of her journey, under a sunken city's arch, she found a door, with the key fitting perfectly in the lock and a latch. With a deep breath, she pushed the door and stepped through with awe, into a world filled with coelacanth, a sight to behold and to paw. They welcomed her warmly, and together they shared their history of a time when coelacanth roamed the earth, in a world long gone, but not forgotten, in memory. Neechee learned that the key was a symbol, a reminder of the past, a testament to the resilience and strength that would forever last. The moral of this tale is clear, as we journey through our own sea. Remember your roots, and hold close the key, to unlock the wonders that you'll see. For within us all lies a treasure, a gift that's uniquely ours, a connection to the past, and a promise for the future, if we only explore.